guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we'll be talking about how to make a resume stand out on LinkedIn. So let's get straight into it. First of all, you must focus on achievements, not duties. So use the XYZ method. Frame accomplishment as accomplished X as measured by Y by doing Z. Another one is quantify results. Add numbers, percentages, and dollar amounts to demonstrate value. Example, increase sales by 20% in 6 months rather than handle sales. Another we have is show progression, highlighting promotions and increasing scope of responsibility to show up upward mobility. Secondly, you must tailor for the role ATS optimization. Mirror the job description, identify keywords from the job posting, skills, tools, job titles, and integrate them into your resume to pass applicants tracking system ATS. Another one we have is tailor the summary. Craft a 3-4 sentence hook at the top that summarizes your professional identity and directly aligns with the target role. Thank you for watching the video. I hope this helps you out.